Why do most people get stuck in the middle class trap, even when they're earning more than their parents ever dreamt of? Why do most salaries rise but lives stay the same? Hi, I'm Sakile Kele Mahlangu, the author of You're Not Broke, You're Uninformed, a finance book created to help young South Africans understand the South African financial system and completely transform the way they think, manage, and grow their money. And while you're listening to this, I hope you're sitting back with a warm cup of coffee, or maybe you're cooking or cleaning or unwinding after a long day. Either way, welcome. Today, we're going quite deep. So, most people don't even realize they're trapped because the middle class trap isn't loud. It's not poverty. It's not struggle. It's comfort. Comfort is the enemy that hugs you while it kills you. Crazy, huh? Business Tech did an article last year explaining how South Africans earning between 20,000 Rand and 40,000 Rand are the most vulnerable group, not the poor, not the rich. This group is drowning in lifestyle costs that rise faster than incomes. And that's the problem. You earn just enough to look like you're doing well, but not enough to escape. Comfort becomes a routine, a nice apartment in Sandton or Fourways, a car with a bank-owned engine, eating out on weekends or some people even almost every day. A soft life, but on debit order. And that's how the trap works. You're not suffering, but you're not going anywhere. Let's talk about the real reason people stay stuck. Because people see their salaries as money they worked for instead of a tool to change their life. When you see your salary as a reward, you spend it. But when you see it as capital, you grow it. MoneyWeb released a report saying that most South Africans use more than 75% of their income on consumption. Rent, transport, food, subscriptions, data, Uber Eats, everything. Meaning 25% of the income has a chance of going towards savings and investing. But most people don't even reach that 25%. And we must be honest why. We were raised to survive, not to grow. Our parents didn't invest. They didn't talk about wealth creation. They didn't teach us about asset building. They taught us how to work, how to get a job, how to live better than they did. So when it comes to salaries, when your salary comes in, your brain automatically thinks, upgrade, spend, replace, enjoy, I deserve. Not, how do I use the salary to build something bigger than the salary? Here's the psychology of being stuck. We're going a little bit emotional and deep here. So being middle class is like standing on a treadmill that's inside a beautiful room. So just picture it with me. Most people won't leave the treadmill because the room is comfortable. You have Wi-Fi, you have a fridge full of food, you have a job, you have a modicum of stability. But I mean, let's be honest, there's no such thing as job stability in this country. But the thing is, you're running and running, but the scenery never changes. Why? Because the moment comfort enters your life, hunger leaves. When hunger leaves, growth dies. A lot of people think they're okay because their life looks better than it did 3 years ago. They don't realize that improvement doesn't equal progress. Improvement is a nicer lifestyle, but progress is a better future. Two very different things. Let's expose some lies that we tell ourselves. Lie one, I'll invest when I earn more. No, you won't. You can't even invest from 6,000 Rand. If you can't invest from a small income, then you won't be able to do it from a larger income. You won't be investing at 60,000 Rand because that savings muscles or that investing muscle that you were supposed to have built when you had a smaller salary is not there. Lifestyle always expands faster than salary. Lie two, At least I'm not poor. You can be broke in Gucci. You can be broke in a secure complex. Trust me, I know. Trust me, I know. Your bank can own your whole lifestyle and you'll still feel rich because you have access to things you don't truly own. Line 3. I need to enjoy my money. Enjoyment is not the problem. Access is. Enjoying money you haven't fully grown is just financial self-sabotage with a smile on your face. Yes, enjoying your money, fine, whatever. Maybe a little treat here and there. But in my opinion, I would think that you deserve financial peace more than enjoying money that you continuously have to work for or continuously have to go in debt in to support your lifestyle, you know? Let's talk about the real shift. You must change what you think your salary is for. This is the heart of the episode. This is the mindset shift that separates the middle class from the wealthy. Your salary is not for spending. Your salary is for investing. It's for building. Your salary is for buying back your freedom. Your salary is the seed. Your investments are the tree. Your lifestyle is the fruit. Most people eat the fruit before the tree even grows. And they do it by going into debt. They don't have the kind of money to afford the things that they want right now. So they'll go into debt for those things. And that's why they stay stuck. When you're in debt, you're forced to work for money so that you can pay for that debt. So how do we actually change? I'm not going to complicate it. Let's just talk like humans. Step 1 is decide that your lifestyle must stay below your income. Not equal, not close, below. So if you earn 20K, your lifestyle must look like someone who earns 12K. Step 2, commit a fixed percentage to your investment first. You pay your network first. You pay your subscriptions first, your Wi-Fi, your DSTV, your landlord first. Why? Because you think they matter. Start treating your future self as a legitimate debit order. Step 3, build assets before aesthetics. Assets produce income. Aesthetics build cheap dopamine. And cheap dopamine has never made anyone rich. Step 4, understand discomfort is not punishment, it's the price. You cannot grow and be comfortable at the same time. You need to choose. Step 5, look at your job as your investor, not your identity. Your job is not your personality. Your job is your funding. And it is the capital generator in your real life. Let's bring this home, guys. Business Tech and the Daily Investor have been screaming about this for years. Most South Africans, their cost of living is rising 3 times faster than most salaries, which means if you don't build assets, your salary will never be enough. This is not fear, it's economics. We live in a country where a decent car is 7,000 to 13,000 a month. A townhouse is 9,000 to 15,000. Groceries are 3,000 to 5,000 rand. Transport is a freaking nightmare. Black tax exists and debt is completely normal. If you don't shift your mind about what your salary is for, you'll be 60, still working and still relying on borrowed luxury and still paying off your bond. I'm going to say this gently but directly. Stop celebrating income and start celebrating assets. Income can disappear. Assets do not. Income fades you. Assets free you. Income gives you a nice life. Assets give you a better future. If you're earning 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, it doesn't matter. What matters is whether the income is growing your life, not just maintaining it. The middle class trap is not a financial condition, it's a mental one. And today, you have the choice to step out because Your salary is not just money, it's an opportunity, it's leverage, it's the foundation for the life that you want but haven't built yet. So use it wisely. Grow it intentionally, protect it aggressively. Before you close this episode, I want you to do 3 things that will change the direction of your money forever. Not your whole life as yet, just your direction. Tonight, I want you to write down one sentence. My salary is meant to, not what it's currently doing, not what people expect you to do with it, not what society pressures you into. What is it meant to do for your life? Is it meant to impress strangers? Is it meant to keep you comfortable? Is it meant to fund your lifestyle inflation? Or build the future you keep talking about but never take action on? Write the sentence into your compass. If your spending doesn't match that sentence, fix the spending, not the goal. Homework 2, the 10-year mirror test. So tomorrow morning, I want you to take your pay slip and stand in front of your mirror and ask yourself one brutal question. If I keep using my money like this, what does my life look like in 10 years? No sugarcoating, no excuses, no trying to make yourself feel better, just honesty. Because most people are not stuck. They're avoiding the truth. They are avoiding the mirror, avoiding the long-term consequences of their short-term comfort. If the 10-year vision scares you, then good. Fear is a sign that something needs to shift. Homework 3, the identity deposit. So before this week ends, I want you to take 300 Rand and invest it once into a beginner-friendly investment platform. No, 300 Rand will make you rich. That's not the point. The point is identity. Rich people invest automatically. Middle-class people wait until they have more money, and then they never start. So it's not about the amount, it's about proving yourself. It's about saying, hey, I am someone who grows my money first, not someone who spends it first. Once you do it once, the identity shift begins. After that, consistency will feel natural. This week, don't try to fix your whole financial life. Just fix the direction, because once the direction changes, the destination changes. Wow, guys, that got a bit deep. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you on the next one where we talk about all of the deep money issues and psychology and how to change our behavior. And the point of this is so that we can change our whole money mindset that will lead us to becoming richer. All right, bye. And for those of you who are watching this on YouTube instead of listening to it, just listening, I hope you're enjoying the beautiful Sandton skyline. I love to look at it because it's so aspirational. It reminds me where I'm going and the lifestyle that I'm working towards, the wealth that I'm working towards. And I know that starts with me accumulating as much income generating assets as possible. So yeah, that's what I want you to think of when you're looking at this beautiful Sandton skyline right now.